Like I said, it's going to be my first stealth camping here. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is the day. So we are gonna run down to the shop quick, my embroidery shop, and go say bye to the wife. I said bye to the kids this morning, so I'm gonna miss them, but I want to go out on this venture, and yeah, guys, I'm excited, very excited. I've been planning this for I shouldn't say a long time, but it feels like a long time. I just decided to do it because I've been having the urge to just get out and go truck camping elsewhere. We're gonna drive out west, you guys, today, and we're gonna take I-90 and head west. Then I'm gonna try to drive as far as I can, and then I'm gonna do some stealth camping in the Walmart parking lot, and so we can get some rest. That way, save me a few dollars, save me some money for a place to sleep. I won't be needing any hotels with my truck because my truck is my hotel and my house on the road. Oh man, I just hope I don't forget anything. So we're here at my embroidery shop that I own, and I've got a team that runs it. Morning or afternoon.
Safe.
I will. I will. Alright, so here we go. Leaving the small town of Jackson. Off to our adventure. We are chill. But this morning it was like -8 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's been a cold couple days here. But so we're gonna be heading west, you guys, to the Wyoming, Utah, Idaho part of the states, and we're gonna go to the mountains. So we're gonna go venture out that way and do some truck camping there. But in the meantime, like today, I'd like to drive as far as I can and then find a Walmart parking lot to do stealth camping and get some rest, and then be on the road again. It's gonna be like an 16-hour drive to at least to Wyoming, to the mountains there. So once we get there, I'll try to figure where we're gonna stay at, what we're gonna do. But what I know is that I know it's pretty out there, and it's nice views out that way, that area. So we're gonna do some truck camping, cooking, like we've done before. So and just enjoy the scenery out there, and let's see what we can get ourselves into. So yeah, here we are, you guys. Started off truck camping around the area in my hometown in the state of Minnesota, where I live. And so started off as that. Next thing you know, I've been wanting to get out to the west. So here we are. We're on the road, and we're gonna go there. Temp is going up as well, 10 degrees, or it's at 10 degrees right now. It was at 5. The sun's about to go down, or the sun is dropping. It's like 4, a little bit after 4 right now. It is 5:30, and since we're heading west, the time's gonna get pushed back. So what that means is I'm on like a Minnesota time, Central Time, so it's actually like 6:30 right now instead of 5:30. But the further west I go, it's gonna keep subtracting an hour. So it feels late, 6:30, and I've been driving for I think about 6 hours, you guys, here. And so we're gonna get filled up, and then I might just grab something here at the gas station, because by the time we get to a Walmart, it's gonna be late. I'm gonna drive like 4 more hours, so we won't get there until 9 or 10 o'clock. And so I'm just gonna grab a bite to eat here, and then once we get to Walmart, I don't know where the Walmart's gonna be, but we're gonna do the stealth camping and stay there. And I don't know about cook anything. I might just end up just snacking on something and later on tonight. And so yeah, and then we'll hunker down and wake up and drive another 5-6 hours to our destination. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we are at Spearfish. Hey, what is this? Spearfish, South Dakota? Or is it Wyoming? I'm not sure, but We are gonna be stealth camping at the Walmart here because it's already getting late. It's 8 o'clock, but it's 9 o'clock on my time back in Minnesota. So this is gonna be my first stealth camping.
At the next light, make a U-turn.
I gotta go in and get some water, and yeah, like I said, it's gonna be my first stealth camping here. It don't look like we can stay in here. That's why it's gonna be stealth. Oh, there's trucks over there. I think I'm gonna park down this way just to stay out of the way so it doesn't look so bad. Or I don't want to stand out too much in the crowd. So yeah, there's a truck there. Yeah, just 2 semis I see. Yeah. Well, guys, I don't know. I don't know if this Walmart closes too. I'm sure the Walmart closes. And I'll be back here. I can't make it too obvious that I'm staying back here, but if I go in and buy some water and some stuff, I can pretend like I'm throwing some of my stuff in the back of this truck. So, and then I'm just gonna hop right in, you guys. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. There's workers over there pushing the cart. There's people all in there, and so not much. There's a bus over there, but I don't think anybody's even in that thing, you know. So yeah, that's all right, guys. So we are in. I'm not gonna turn on the lights or anything. We got the truck running here. And oh man, as you can see out there, yeah. Oh man, I forgot something. What I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna run the diesel heater in there, turn that on. But I gotta go back out, you guys. I gotta go back out again. Hopefully the truck shuts off here soon. So I'm not gonna turn any lights on. Make it too obvious here. There you go, truck's off. That van or that bus right there, that bus had kids and the mom came out. I just wonder if they're staying in there too, sleeping in there. So she went in and grabbed food, and looks like they might be staying there. Alright guys, so we are all settled in here. And yeah, I got the Jackery going. It's at 96%. Got the diesel heater going. Right there. Nice hot air coming out. This is my space here for tonight. And so I just hope we don't get the knock. It's only about 9 o'clock right now. Yeah, 9 o'clock. One here. I went to the bathroom already before I came back out to this truck, and yeah, very comfortable in here. So this Walmart's not that big, or I should say it's not that busy. So I can hear the vehicles going back and forth, cars coming in and out. You can hear cars here. It's like right by the highway, right off the highway, interstate. And so see the light in there. Right guys, so I'm gonna shut this off just because it's giving out a lot of light here, and we will see you guys in the morning, or maybe before that. Yeah, it's very busy, or it's very noisy here. So, alright guys, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys. I put the my hoodie back on last night because it was a little cool last night, and I didn't want to turn up the diesel heater too much because I wanted to save the fuel and some power until we get to our location. So yeah, parking lot isn't full yet. So there's a white car that was here all night last night too, right there. I believe maybe he's just an overnight stalker. I don't think there was anybody sleeping in there. So one of the semis gone. One one's still here. Where's my keys? Let's get out of here. Alright guys, nobody bothered me. It's good. Luckily there is an Anytime Fitness around here, somewhere around here. It said that we're only 900 feet away. I'm gonna go get my shower in, and then we're gonna continue on the road. But you guys, overall, like I said, nobody bothered me. It was a nice, good sleep, and saved me some money. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and
Turn left onto First Avenue, then
yeah.
turn left.
And we are going to continue our drive after my shower. I'm going to just eat some small breakfast. I'm not going to cook any big breakfast, guys. Just because I want to get to our destination, and you guys will know exactly where I'm going once I get there. Till next time, you guys, take care. We will see you guys on the next adventure. Later.